In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Voice Isolator Tool in Elevenlabs to remove background noise in audio. Before we begin, if you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Your support encourages us to continue bringing you valuable content. First, log in to your Elevenlabs account. Then focus on the left side menu where you can see an option called Voice Isolator under the Tools section. Click on that. Then you will see a window that can drag and drop audio files and video file to isolate the voice being spoken if the background noise is too high, or if you want to remove the background noise. This is the video I'm going to remove the street background noise.
And they said that you had a beard, all right? Again, not saying it's you, buddy.
Wrong place, wrong time.
After drag and drop the audio file into the Voice Isolator window, click on Isolate Voice button that appears. Wait a moment until it's ready. Once the Elevenlabs finish isolating the voice, preview the audio before downloading.
And they said that you had a beard, all right? So I'm not saying it's you, but it was a black male. Again, not saying it's you, buddy.
Wrong place, wrong time.
As you can hear, my background noise has been gone. By following these steps, you can effectively change the language of the AI voice to suit your needs. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Ensure you explore a wide array of tutorials and resources spanning diverse subjects available on MediaMagnetGuide.com. See you in the next video.